Hello students, in this video I am going to summarize lesson number 1 of environmental science. Name of the lesson is controlling air pollution. Air pollution is happening because of adding harmful substances in air which change physical and chemical quality of air and is harmful to humans and environment. Sources of air pollution. Human activities like industries, forest fires, burning of garbage are responsible for air pollution. Natural sources like volcanic eruption, dust storm, forest fires, etc. are also responsible for air pollution. Good health means not only absence of diseases but complete physical, mental and social well-being. Air pollution is happening by burning of fuel wood in chulhas in country like India. Deforestation for fuel wood is responsible for many environmental problems like habitat loss, biodiversity loss, global warming, disturbance of water cycle. It is also responsible for floods, rise in temperature, scarcity of forest products, as well as acid rain. Sulfuric acid and nitric acid combines with rain and fall down as acid rain. Burning of fuel wood can cause asthma, irritation and redness of eyes, etc. in village women. Alternatives to fuel wood. Example, use of solar cooker, biomass cook stoves, bagasse briquettes, LPG, kerosene, etc. We know that industries are responsible for air pollution and can affect health of humans and environment. Example, worst industrial accident, that is Bhopal gas tragedy. Second example, acid rain causing damage to monuments like Taj Mahal, corrodes metals, etc. Recording of data and air quality monitoring equipments are needed to control air pollution from industries. There are two types of air pollutants, gaseous pollutants and suspended particulate matter. Factors like size, concentration and volume of particles needed to be taken into consideration for controlling particulate pollutants. Different air pollution controlling devices need to be used by industries to control particulate air pollution. Preliminary separation. Gas is made to move with slow velocity or change direction so that particles will settle down and get separated from gas. Gravity settling chamber. Gas is made to move with small velocity of 1 to 2 meter per second so that particles settle down due to gravity. It has low maintenance cost but requires large space. Back filters. The gas is made to pass through fabric. Dust remains on fabric and gets separated. Cyclone filters. A gas is made to flow spirally. Particle strikes the wall of cyclone filter and fall down. Thus, gas gets separated from particles. It can widely be used in cement industries but need continuous electric power. Wet scrubber. Gas stream is sprayed with lime water to neutralize the acidic gas. Moisture absorber makes the gas dry. It requires low capital cost and less space, but has high maintenance cost and required power continuously. Electrostatic precipitators involves charging of solid particles and then striking them on oppositely charged metal plates. Particles fall down onto Hooper tray and get separated from gas. It has low maintenance cost and is highly effective but and efficient, but has high capital cost. Plate tower. Gas comes in contact with liquid. Liquid comes down and gas phase flows upward. It can remove gaseous pollutants. Industries must use energy efficient devices like use of advanced boiler and furnaces, star energy appliances, etc. Aim of clean technologies is to reduce the use of fossil fuels which are non-renewable. Example, use of green transportation, recycling, etc. Examples of clean technologies are biogas, solar energy, wind energy, etc. It is important to know regarding meteorological condition of a particular area before setting up of industries. Degree of pollution depend upon surrounding environmental conditions. Meteorological control that influence air pollution are temperature, wind direction, speed, etc. Industries must be set up in such a way that a pollutants does not move towards the cities. Zoning involves land use planning practice in which particular area is divided into different zones like residential area, industrial area, commercial areas, etc. Certain steps involved in zoning strategies are residential areas must be away from industrial areas, having green belt to absorb air pollution. Trees like tamarind and mango can be planted to absorb gases and thus reduce air pollution. Laws will help to control air pollution. Industries must follow ambient air quality standards and emission standards to control air pollution. In India, we have Air Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1981 to control air pollution. Central Pollution Control Board and State Pollution Control Board will also help in controlling air pollution. Violation of laws, acts, etc. can lead to fine, imprisonment, etc. Taj Mahal is under threat due to air pollution caused by 512 industries which are responsible for acid rain. TTZ is area of 10,400 square kilometers to protect the monument from pollution. TTZ is so named since it is located around the Taj Mahal and is shaped like a trapezoid. To protect Taj Mahal, certain steps need to be taken like making green belt, using natural gas, etc. Mathura oil refineries are responsible for major SO2, that is sulfur dioxide release. Started using low sulfur fuel oil, improve its efficiency and doing energy conservation practices. Due to this, sulfur dioxide emission is under stipulated limit, that is 500 kilograms per hour, which has reduced air pollution problem around Taj Mahal.